Living Innovation is a new European Commission Horizon 2020 funded project. Uniquely, and for the first time, it involves industry leaders in developing responsible, smart home solutions together with citizens.
Living Innovation is a unique European-funded project that gives people across Europe the chance to influence and to shape the way we live at home in the future. We're especially interested in getting in touch with people who are excited about the future living at home, who would like to get in touch with major companies, and who would like to become shapers of future designs, solutions, and products.
In Living Innovation, industry players will for the first time implement responsible innovation by co-creating new technologies directly with society. We aim to create technologies that can help people live happier, healthier and longer lives at home.
The Living Innovation project is unique because it brings together big industry players and citizens, both online and in face-to-face workshop environments, to develop new solutions and technologies that are good for society, that improve our lives at home, while also being marketable.
Living Innovation is coordinated by the Institute for Managing Sustainability at the Vienna University of Economics and Business. The project unites 14 partners from 10 European member states. Our consortium includes leading companies in the area of smart homes.
We think that the Living project is a very interesting approach to apply digitalization and user involvement to further develop systematic innovation. In particular, the virtual platform is an interesting opportunity in order to learn in combination with the labs.
Of course, we invest in research and innovation. This is a key for us in order to progress and to increase our service portfolio, and at the end to increase also the incomes that we got from the market. And responsible also is an attribute of our brand.
So Atos is very committed to play a role in living, especially we want to be very active and participative because we are quite new to this topic and we want to learn, we want to see things from a different perspective. And we see also an increasing interest in social corporate responsibility in the company, both from the side of the employees and the let's say, management. And we want to bring back all this knowledge to them and see if we can influence or have an impact or at least raise awareness regarding responsible research and innovation.
Siemens is taking over the role of accessibility in the Living project. That means we like to support those citizens who are older or have a disability.
As the Living project is focusing on health and also advancement for users, for citizens and all, I think it's a perfect match for us. So we can deliver competences which we have and experiences also in the area, which we have taken for 100 years in this area, bring that to the table, and on the other hand learn from all the other co-creators, from the users itself, what else needs to be done and improved for the future and where we should go to. So I think that's just a perfect match between the two of us.
The project creates two distinct opportunities. First, Living Innovation will give the public the chance to be involved in the design of the technology that will shape their future lives. And second, Living Innovation gives industry the possibility to respond directly to changes and needs of users and society. Living Innovation aims to also demonstrate to the public what responsible innovation means and how citizens can be involved in developing innovations.
We're also going to be aiming to look at the what it is that makes a successful set of ROI factors. So what is it that industry engages with? What sorts of performance indicators do they attach to it? What sorts of success factors do they attach to these sorts of practices so that we can collect these together and use them for distributing and disseminating with other companies.
We have different methodologies how it's possible to involve the citizens through our well-built innovation process, but we will learn additionally through living project what is possible and how it is possible to be done on a most effective way.
The aim of the Living Innovation Project is to empower companies to tap into their innovation potential that user engagement brings and to help create new technologies that are developed not only with people but for people.
Living Innovation will introduce new ways to involve users in the development of ICT solutions for smart homes. Other industries will be also able to take up the models that we have tested and use them to tap into user-generated, responsible innovation. By directly engaging the users and by working together, both industry and citizens will benefit.